Thank you, thank you. Let's fold the clothes. It's grandma clothes. 4 million. It's this is granny socks. Hi. 9 million, thank you. Shout out. Socks. Let's fold clothes because it's raining. Raining here in my place. Seven million, please subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. See, it's granny socks. Hello, Kelgab. Thank you from Indonesia. Thank you everyone. This is a granny clothes, so let's fold because it's raining already. It's raining. Hello everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Oh, you're from Hawaii, Kel. Thank you, Kelgab. How's the weather from Hawaii? Thank you, Orlene. Thank you so much. Get your breakfast. Oh, it's raining too? Kelgab. It's raining also. Whoa, we're the same. It's the same. Yeah, it's raining outside. That's why I got this and fold. It's granny clothes. Is it night? What time on your place from Hawaii? Oh, it's Hawaii. Nice, enjoy your day. Thank you. Is it evening there or morning? Afternoon? I don't know. I don't know what time it's at your place, Hawaii, from Hawaii. I just know some 5 million. Oh, 6:30 p.m. Wow, it's dinner time. It's dinner time. It's lunch time here. Morning from Indonesia. Oh my God. Good evening. Good evening to your place. Good evening to your place. See, I'm done folding. It's granny socks. Put it here. Oh, wow. Thank you. Hello, Eva. Thank you so much, everyone. See, it's raining here. Look, my window. There. That is my window. Yeah, it's raining. It's traffic. 6 million, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Safe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's go outside. Brian's calling me. Oh my God. What happened? Mama. Thank you. Shout out. Big shout out.